Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the bird filter to your pictures on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, select the picture you want to edit, and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the birds section. Click on it, and as you can see, only one of the filters available to all of the users of the application, and the other ones can be unlocked by going premium. So click on the full bird filter that is available to you, and here you can see that your picture has been processed. You can see the original picture by clicking on the contrast button on the right side of the screen. If you want to save it, click on the save button at the top. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.